Alright guys, good afternoon. Cleet Titus here, back with United Youth Aviators. I'm the co-founder and CFI actually. And today we have one of our newest youth aviators with us today. We're excited for her. She's learning quick, picking it up fast. I'm gonna let her share her story.
Hello, my name is Jaden Hip. I'm 17 years old. I go to Queens High School of Teaching.
Okay, to the mic.
And I live in St. Albans. I'm very excited to be here.
We're excited to have her. Alright guys, so we're gonna catch you guys back on the taxi out, and we'll take off and we'll go through a little bit of stuff with her and we'll head back to Farmingdale. Alright guys, peace out. Here we back. We're gonna get our clearance for taxi clearance out of here. Take it away, Jade.
Okay. Tweed Ground Skyhawk November 2328 Romeo at tie downs requesting taxi for northwest departure with Gulf.
Number 2328 Romeo, New Haven Ground, runway 2, taxi at Hotel Alpha Charlie Bravo.
November 2328 Romeo, runway 32 via Hotel Alpha Charlie Bravo.
Number 28 Romeo, runway 202.
02. Why we put 32? 02. Say 02.
02.
Wait, Romeo.
28 Romeo.
I don't know why I told you 32 because I think Farmingdale. Alright, you ready? So he said Hotel Alpha Bravo, right? Hotel Alpha Charlie Bravo. So let's head out this way. Right rudder, give it a little power, test your brakes, power. Ooh, we got hot. Hey, more power. Alright, test your brakes. Alright, hold it, no, hold it, bring the power back down. 1,000, say, my brakes are good.
My brakes are good.
Say you have, no, 1,000. Say, you have the plane.
You have the plane.
I have the plane, I say, you have the plane again?
You have the plane.
Go, I have the plane. Now I'm gonna test my brakes. My brakes are good. I'm going back to 1,000 before I give you the plane. You got the plane?
I have the plane.
You got the plane. Alright, turn to your right. Start right rudder in. Don't brake too hard. Right rudder. Up. Alright. Oh, give it a little bit more power. A little bit more power. A little bit more power. Come on, more power. You want to stay, keep that center line between your feet. Alright, now we got the momentum back to 1,000. Back a little bit more. Alright, we're going to go left. You see how the line became 3? How that line became 3? Like it went, yeah, so you're gonna start slowing down at those stripes, alright? So both feet start slowing down. We can't cross the whole short, remember that? So we gotta stop before the whole short. So get ready to start letting us know you get to the whole short. Don't pass that line. Both feet, brake, right? Alright. Alright, cool. We're going to switch over to tower, hit that button. Hold. Water. Alright, good. So you're going to say, Tweed Tower, holding short runway 2, look. Over there, 2 at Bravo. You see it? 2 and B. So what you going to say?
Tweed Tower 28 Romeo, holding short at runway 2 Bravo.
2328 Romeo, New Haven Tower, runway 2, clear for takeoff, say direction of departure.
Southwest departure, southwest.
Southwest departure 28 Romeo.
No, 28 Romeo, proceed on course, wind 290 at 17, runway 2, clear for takeoff.
Alright, clear for takeoff, 28 Romeo.
Clear for takeoff 28 Romeo.
Alright, lights on, lights. Your lights, say it.
Lights.
Camera, 1200.
Camera.
Action. Go ahead. Right, I got the feet today. Give me some power. I got the feet. Hey, power. Hey, that's good. Come down, come back a little bit. All right, good, good. Right, 1,000. So we need 1,000. Oh, let me see something here. Take off. All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Keep your heels on the ground, but keep them on the runners. I want you to feel me go down the runway with you, okay? So our job is to keep our feet center as you pick up massive speed, all right? Don't touch the brakes. Ready? I'm going to do it with you. Full power. Power all the way in. Hold it. All right, keep it center. Up. When the airspeed come on, say to me, airspeed alive. Say airspeed alive.
Airspeed alive.
All right, when it get easy. You get to 55, you're gonna pull back. Ready? Wait, pull back. Pull the flight yoke to you, pull back. All right, right there, 10 degrees. Nope, that's enough, 10. All right, keep the plane straight, Jay. Alright guys, and we just took off, and now we're gonna head back over to the Northport Stacks. Do a few little things with Jay, let her get comfortable with the plane, keep it straight, Jay. Let her get comfortable with the plane, so some fun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me concentrate, yeah. So let's teach you a couple of things, right? So hold the plane down, push the plane down slowly. Alright, cool. Now, what I don't want you to do is, I don't want you to let me move the flight yoke on you, right?
Okay.
So I'm going to pull up, you're going to push down. When I push down, you pull up. Ready?
Okay.
Feel what I'm doing? Good. Good. Alright, good. Do it again. Alright, cool. You felt how you stopped it when you felt it?
Yeah.
Make this trim wheel. When you trim up is down, down is up. So keep the plane level. Put the plane back level. Because we still climbing. We don't want to be climbing. That's your job. We're going to fly level till we get over there and we'll do some stuff. We're going to give a shout out to today.
Top 7 ground students.
I'd like to give a shout out to my dad for the program. I'd also like to give a shout out to
Who? You got to talk to the mic.
my sisters.
Alright, nice. And I met the little sisters, right? Dad brings them to the airport. They're some lovely little girls. We love them, right? You'll take them flying one day?
Yeah.
See that? You see how we do these things? So please, once again, don't forget, give us that what? Like and what?
Like and subscribe.
That's what we talking about. UIA, that's how we do it. Changing kids' minds one takeoff at a time. Alright guys, we love you. Peace. So let's point to those stacks. You see them 4 stacks over there? Alright, point to those. This is 5, 15, 30, 45, 60. So we're going to turn to 30 today. So let's turn right or left. Which way you want to go first?
Okay.
All right, so you're going to turn right all the way to 30. Got to turn, drop the wing. Don't go up, don't go down. Right rudder. Right, and when you get to 30, stop. 30 right there, stop. So you see what's happening. You got it straight, right? But what's happening? The plane is doing what?
Turning.
Go back a little bit. Now it's turning on its own. You don't have to keep turning it and turning and turning. You just put it right where you want it and stay. Banked it. Now it's going to just bank it. No option but to keep doing it. Crazy, right? Don't go up though. Don't go up. Try not to go up or down. There you go. Now keep it on 30. So we do finish the 360. Right there, boom, right rudder. When you press right, boom, left, remember? Alright, don't go down. Don't let it go down. You use 2 hands if you want. If you want for right now. I'll let you get away with that. Hey, look outside. Good. Gonna go up, gonna go down. Perfect. We're not going up or down, right? Hey, so hey, roll out. To left, turn it. Take it. All right, now we're gonna go, put that nose down. Good. Now we're gonna go to the left.
at 2,000 feet. All VFR aircraft advised to maintain at or below 1,500 feet within Republic airspace while north of the airport. Use caution for wake turbulence north of Republic Airport. IFR departures. Advise ground control for taxi that you are IFR. Read back all runway hold short instructions. Read back all runway assignments. Read back all opposite assignments. Advise Republic Tower on initial contact. You have information. Papa.
All right, Papa. 232 at Romeo Tower.
2328 Romeo Republic Tower.
How you doing, ma'am? We over the Northport Stacks, inbound full stop.
Remember 2 Papa Whiskey, I have Pilatus on a 2.5 mile final. I can't give you the short approach. Make right 360 if you like.
Right 360, 452 Papa Whiskey.
November 28 Romeo, right downwind, runway 32.
Right now for runway 32 to Romeo. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to slip, okay? Slip. It's gonna be all the way out. We will use left rudder and full right aileron and push your nose. Okay, so power out. So we're gonna show you the slip. Power out. All right, good. Full left, all the way out. All the way. Full left rudder. It doesn't matter which side. All the way left. Full opposite aileron. Now push your nose down. Now keep doing it. Hold the rudder hard. So we're slipping down. So we're going down fast.
Traffic
We're not going that fast.
Course 120.
You can bring us down to 2,000.
Yep.
Keep pushing down. Push down. Don't be afraid. Push down.
Right turn, right downwind, please.
We'll go down to 2,000 feet.
Right down, 16 Bravo.
That's the 942. Reduce your speed.
Keep that aileron.
942.
All right, bring the nose up.
Remember 2 Papa Whiskey.
Hey,
Traffic
good. Woo, come over to your right.
300 feet.
Felt that?
Inside.
All right, power up.
No 2 Papa Whiskey. Runway 32. Could land. Number 2 behind the
Push the power in.
Behind the Palazzo.
Give it more power. Back to 21.
Number 16 Bravo. In your
All right, head over there.
That's the traffic. He was right behind you on final over the shoreline 1,000.
All right, good.
Bravo. Looking.
Oh, no, we head towards the runway. Mid airport.
Star 51.
Romeo, yep, turn base, runway 32, clear to land.
Turn the base, clear to land to Romeo.
Remember 16 Bravo, stay parking.
Alright. Go down just a little, just a touch. Good. So you want to start pulling all the way when we get over the stripes, which is right about now. Pull it all the way out slowly. You're pulling it out. Pulling it out, we're going to pull back, right? Back, Jay, pull back. No, don't look at me. Pull back, pull the fight your back. Hold it, Jay, hold it, Jay. Pull the power all the way out.
Just confirm my zero, back confirm to make a right down with departure.
Hey, put the nose down.
That's confirmed, dates are correct.
Thank you.
Not bad.
Number 28 Romeo, you have the left here at Alpha 3.
I'll get Alpha 3 for you.
Enter Romeo, thank you, appreciate that. Alpha 3, and then you go to Echo, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, 28 Romeo, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 1, you can stay with me.
Wait a minute.
Number 28 Romeo, did you copy taxi via Alpha, cross runway 1 with me?
Alright, Alpha 1 with you. I had like a little wire issue with my bag.
No worries.
Alright.
Hello, Tower, Archer 144 Alpha Mike, holding short runway 32 at Delta, ready for departure.
Alright.
Remember 144 Alpha Mike, Republic Tower, holding
And then
short
lights, taxi lights off, strobes off.
Holding short runway 32, 144 Alpha Mike.
And then lights off. Then landing lights. We're gonna turn right. Right, yep. Okay, give it a little power. Alright. Alright, stand on the line. Oh, just intercept. Hey, we back in Farmdale, guys. We had a good day with Jay. She's a fast learner. We're gonna let Jay say some ending words. Talking to the mic all the way.
I had a good flight today. Exciting, and I learned a lot.
I'm telling you. Alright, guys, so until the next one, peace out.
Remember 4 Alpha.